I know how frustrating it can be to see dirty grout in your patterns, but don't worry. Today I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to whiten your grout, using just two simple ingredients that you probably have at home. So let's get started.
So here is what you will need. Equal parts baking soda and hydrogen peroxide 3%. Just mix them together in a small plastic cup until you get a thick paste. The baking soda works as a gentle scrubber, while the hydrogen peroxide lifts stains and disinfects. Perfect for brightening up your grout. Now, take an old toothbrush and dip it into the paste, and spread it directly onto the grout. Make sure to coat it evenly. Then let it sit for a few minutes so the ingredients can break down the grime. Now use the sand toothbrush to scrub the grout. The paste will help lift all that deep seat dirt and you will see the results almost instantly. But remember, don't use this on natural stone surfaces like marble, travertine, or granite. Hydrogen peroxide can be too harsh and cause discoloration. Also avoid using it on unsealed or damaged grout, as it may weaken it further. And if you have colored grout, spot test first to make sure it doesn't lighten the color. Once you are done scrubbing, take a damp microfiber cloth and wipe away the paste. Rinse your cloth as needed. And at the end you will be left with bright, clean grout, without any toxic chemicals. Look at the difference now. No harsh chemicals, no complicated steps, just an easy natural way to get your grout looking fresh again. And if you find this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more cleaning hacks. And tell me in the comments what's the most stubborn stain in your home. I might cover it in the next video. Thanks for watching.